Welcome. In this tutorial we will show you how to train your own Mask RCNNAI model for an inference overlay in the Tygron platform. For this we will use the test and training data sets we downloaded in a previous tutorial. If you have not done that yet, please watch that tutorial and download these datasets first. You can find the link in the description of this tutorial. Next you will need to download and unzip the Tygron AI suite. You can do that by cloning the repository from GitHub, or by downloading from the link in the description. Example workflows for training a Mask RCNNAI model is provided by Jupyter Notebooks. Python packages required for Jupyter Notebooks can be installed and managed in a Python Conda environment using Miniforge. You can find the download link for the installer in the description. Once Miniforge is installed, open the Miniforge prompt. With the Miniforge prompt opened, change the directory to the location of the Tygron AI Suite repository. Next, to automatically set up a Tygron AI Suite Conda environment, write the following line. Conda environment create -n Tygron AI -f Tygron AI.yml. Once the download and environment setup process is complete, activate the environment by typing conda activate Tygron AI, and open a notebook by typing Jupyter Notebook. Your browser will open with the Jupyter Notebook Explorer. Select the file named example-config.ipy notebook. In the third step, set the correct paths for train directory and test directory in the configuration object. Please note that you will have to use double slashes for correct syntax on Windows. Press the double arrow button named Restart Kernel and execute all cells to run the Jupyter Notebook. Eventually an Onyx file will be created. This is a neural network exchange file format that you can import into your Tygron project as a neural network for an inference overlay. Thank you for watching.